Friends, very good morning. In today's video, we are going to learn about the projections of a pentagonal lamina which touches VP by one of its sides, whereas the corner opposite to that touches the right profile plane, and one of the other corner of the lamina touches HP. So friends, this is a very interesting problem, and generally you do not find anywhere a problem of this sort. So friends, let us assume that the lamina is placed on VP, or say on the right profile plane, say. And when it is placed on the right profile plane, one of the side AB is on that, CDE. First of all, we will construct a regular pentagon of 30 millimeter side in the on the right profile plane. Mark that x1, y1. After construction of this figure, draw a line passing through this corner C, and this will represent the XY line. So you have to construct the pentagon first, write x1, y1 through the edge AB, then through the edge C, you have to write the XY line and obtain the front and top views of the lamina. Friends, when it is on the right profile plane, friends, you will see that the lamina is seen as a line in the front view, as a line in the top view. In the front view, you will have a line like this. In the top view, you are going to have a line like this. Now, the surface of the lamina is parallel to VP with the side AB on VP. But we want in the solution the corner to touch the right profile plane. Friends, what do we do? This is the top view you have got, A, B, C, D, E. Now taking center AB and radius equal to this distance from here to here, the length of the top view, draw an arc to meet x1, y1, the line of intersection of VP and RPP at this point. Say this is the point D. So ABCED will represent the final top view of the lamina, because I have told you in the beginning of the session that it is going to be seen as a line in both the top view, and in the front view it is going to become a distorted pentagon. Friends, this is the final top view. You can find out what is the angle made by the surface with the VP, that can be found out here, and also what is the angle made by the surface with the right profile plane. So these two angles can be measured. The sum of these two should be equal to 90, because these two lines x1, y1 and xy, they are perpendicular to each other. So this is how you obtain the final top view, and I will mark here this TV. Top view is this line with this AB on the vertical plane as per the question. Friends, after getting this, let us get the corresponding end view and the front view. So I want to get the end view. What I do, I write a line at 45 degrees here and shift all these points A, B, C, E and D onto this line, and from there I am going to shift them to the end view. So if you start with point D, write a horizontal line through D, take it upwards till it touches the horizontal line drawn here, and this point will give you very obviously D double dash, the final end view of the corner D. Next friends, you will take C and E, write a vertical line from this point, that is a horizontal line from here, a vertical line from this, and the point on this loci of E and C, you will get the point E double dash, and this is going to be C double dash. So friends, you have got E, C and D. We have to get AB. Friends, the position of AB is fixed. It will be on this line. So this is going to be A double dash and this is B double dash. Friends, after getting all these 5 corners of the pentagon, we will join them by straight line. So friends, I am going to join A to B by a straight line, then A to E, that is A double dash, E double dash, and ED, E double dash, D double dash. Then we have this BC, B double dash, C double dash, and this line. So this will give you the final end view of the lamina, which is going to have the side AB equal to 30 millimeter, whereas the dimensions of all other edges, namely BC, CD, DE, and gets changed. So we have got the final front view is shown by a distorted pentagon with side A double dash, B double dash measuring 30 millimeter, and after obtaining these points, let us obtain the final front view of the lamina. Friends, see here you have got this lamina, that is end view on this XY. So this is going to be final A and this is final B. Next D. D will be exactly on this because it is touching the right profile plane. Then friends, you have got C and E. E comes here. So I will call this as E dash, and this point is going to be the corresponding C dash. Friends, you have got all the 5 corners A, B, C, D and E. So I will join all these by straight line. So I will join A to B by a vertical line, A to B, one of the edges, A to E, then B to C, then C to D, then D to E. Friends, this is how you get the final front view, which is once again a distorted pentagon, and the side AB will have the same measurement of 30 millimeter in both the front view and also in the end view. And friends, this is how we complete the projections of the pentagonal lamina, which touches VP by one of its sides, which is obviously perpendicular to HP. The corner opposite to that touches the right profile plane. So, friends, please go through the complete video without skipping any part of the video. And in case you get some doubts in between, re-watch the video once again. And if you like this video, share this video with all your friends without fail. Thank you very much, friends, for watching my YouTube video.